Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku-channel yami nesahleli nesalokazi ugogo Patricia intombi endala. So manje ngizophendula umbuzo ka-user lana, right? But though I don't like answering users, right? You must have a real name for me to answer you so that I know it's not a fake account. But anyway, user, I will answer you because you are supporting each channel yami. Thokoza Gogo, I dreamt of myself and my daughter underwater. Isiziba, but when we got out, I was covered in a black blanket and I had a black cardigan for my daughter. Iphupho elihle mntana ethonga kusinoma ubani ongena ezibeni ungawaphupha wonke amanzi kodwa isiziba indawo enamandla njengoba ngihlale ngisho ukuthi iBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi before the world was formed, the world was formless. Bekunamanzi, there was water, and the word of God was hovering over the waters, right? Abantu abaningi ungabona abantu abaningi baye emanzini baye omalwandle baye empophomeni kodwa isiziba akungeni noma ubani ngoba indawo ekunomnumzane khona, right? So abantu abadala bayazi ukuthi sinovalo ene bayazi ukuthi inkathi zamanje kuyagangwa akusinoma umuphi umelaphi ongamthola akisezibeni. So bayakwazi ukuthi bona bakuyise bakufake ezibeni kwelamathonga. The proof of that is that wena uphuma uphethe noma ugqoke ublanket omnyama ungene nengane yakho iphume ifake cardigan which is a hoodie, right? Emnyama lawo amakhala wenzunza wena uyingane yenzuza ingane yakho isizukulu senzuza kuyabonakala ukuthi wena umbethwe amandla wobukhosi ubethwe amandla wobukhosi bamanzi unamakhosi uhamba namakhosi amakhulu, right? But they will come to you, they will give you directives. Are they just letting you know, yes, right now you're not understanding, but masesifike lesikhathi inkosi yona ngokwayo inkosi yamanzi izofika izozibika kuwena. All you have to do, stay clear of anything evil. Yekela umuthi mangabe umuthi uyawuthinta, hlambuluka, thandaza, be a forgiving person. Ungabe umuntu obamba amaqhubu ngoba ingane yenzunza kufanelanga ibambe amaqhubu, right? So you've got a wonderful gift, what a wonderful dream that you had, and yeah, all the best in your journey. uNkulunkulu nabantu abadala bakhanyisele bakupha amandla bakubambe ngesandla. The journey that you're about to embark in, it's a very difficult journey. It's not easy. Idinga umuntu obekezelayo kodwa I must say inzunza iyabakhetha abayo, so ukhethwe ngebanga.